I'm here to teach you a fire, and these are the materials I'm going to use. And this is a
lightning strike.
Lightning strike, and I have a cotton ball.
How old are you, sweetheart?
7.
7 years old, okay.
So what you do first is you grab some twigs and you put it like that, and then you put one like that, and then you got 2, and then you put them like that, and then whenever you're done, you roughen your cotton ball up. And so whenever you're done roughing your cotton ball up, you put it in the middle. You put it right there. And then you get your vise ready. And then you put your foot as close as possible. You bend it the way you want to. And then you light it. And then you put some stuff on it. And that's how you make a fire. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you like it. Bye.
Good job.
That was awesome.
That was good.